I'm Con Romias. I'm the National Marketing Manager here at Techtronic Industries. We're a manufacturer of a host of power tool brands ranging from Ryobi to AEG. We have a host of innovative products and also require a whole host of support when it comes to our in-store merchandising solutions. We had the challenge of having an expanding product footprint in an ever condensed and compressed retail store footprint. Where we came to Integra was needing some expertise and advice on industrial design and fabrication of tool holders and point-of-sale merchandise solutions that was going to maximise the representation of our products in the store footprint. That ranged from tool holders such as these that we have on shelf over here, through to more progressive solutions such as our digital iPad tool holders in the store environment and a whole host of category navigation point-of-sale solutions that we've developed over the years. One of the recent challenges was how we can best represent and merchandise this new Ryobi stick vac. The reason why this was unique was it has to be merchandised within the traditional power tool bays and minimise the store impact on other products that are demonstrated and displayed in stores. Further to that, we had to ensure that the solution also didn't protrude and impact shopper safety. As a consequence, we developed in line with Integra in a relatively short space of time, a great solution which addresses all of those challenges. One of the fantastic aspects of the relationship between Techtronic Industries and Integra is the ability to work in cohesion to resolve a problem that we're faced with. That requires an ability to understand one another, but also work in an agile fashion to be able to iterate and reiterate concepts that can be presented to key stakeholders to get them signed off and bring a fantastic solution to the consumer.